Hey family, so I'm cooking up some beef heart. It's really good. I put in some cumin, parsley, black pepper, chili flakes, Don Julio Blanco tequila, what else? Salt, black pepper. So it's cooking up. I'm gonna post the finished recipe on Instagram. Beef heart is really delicious. Takes a while to break down, so I'm just kind of cooking it up, and then I will make a stew out of it. But look at that. That's beef heart. It's going to be so good. If you haven't tried beef heart, you really should try it. It's delicious. It's from a grass-fed, pasture-raised, certified humane, organic, non-GMO ranch. So it's the highest quality you can get, and since nobody really buys beef heart, you get a good deal. I only had to pay $21 for it, so that's a beautiful thing. Look at that. So it's gonna be so juicy. So I'm just letting the juices get in there more. I've already butchered it down. I would make a video showing you how to butcher it down, but I feel like the vegan mafia would totally flag the video and YouTube would take it down because for some reason too many Americans are grossed out on animal organ parts for cooking. So too bad I can't make a video on how you do that. But this is what the beginning process. This is going to be an all-day process because it does get tough. So I'm just putting in the juices now, and then I will fill this up with broth, and then I will add more ingredients. You know, red cabbage. I'm going to throw in some potatoes, some carrots, make it really nice and yummy. But look at that, so good. Gonna get lots of vitamins from this beef heart. So whew, it's not as hard as you think. I mean, it takes a good 30 minutes to, well, 30 minutes if you're relaxing, right? To break it all down, but it's so good, family. Look at that. Woo, yeah, look at that. Sizzling smells so good. The cumin is so delicious. So, cooking up some beef heart, family. So, what are y'all cooking? What are you guys gonna eat tonight? Let me know.